Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by deciding scope and constraints, how many users and what bandwidth you need right away. Once clear, procure a reputable router, manage switches, firewall appliance, Cat6 cable, and UPS. Make sure to draft an IP addressing plan with subnets and VLAN ID so devices map to logical groups. While you buy gear, sketch rack layout and port counts. This prevents mid-build changes. Now that prerequisites and the first actionable steps are complete, move to physical install and configuration. You now perform the detailed execution. Physically mount equipment, neatly run and label cables, and terminate at switches. Once done, power devices from UPS and access the router UI or CLI to configure WAN, LAN interfaces, DHCP scopes, and essential static routes. Then, make VLAN on each managed switch, set VLAN trunking between switches and the router, and apply Co-S priorities for voice or critical apps. Don't forget to secure management interfaces with strong passwords and limit access to your admin subnet. You finish by validating functionality. Run end-to-end pings, trace routes, and measure throughput to confirm performance meets requirements. Make sure DHCP leases, DNS resolution, and interVLAN routing work as intended. Once validated, document network diagrams, device credentials, and save configuration backups off-device. Schedule periodic firmware updates and monitoring. If something fails, isolate by VLAN or port. Inspect switch/router logs, swap to a known good cable, and test a single device to pinpoint the fault before broad changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.